We're all moms, pet moms, working moms, stay-at-home moms, moms of husbands that are sick all the time. You know, we're all moms. So we must drink and celebrate our one day that we'll probably have to do shit anyway. So might as well drink a cocktail. We are going to do a toast martini. 2 ounces of a toast. All right. This is local Ventura. It's like an Aperol, but has more of a berry floral aroma, and it's wonderful in every cocktail. Our ocean vodka, 1 ounce. Oh, that's 1.5 ounces. Oh well. 1/2 ounce simple syrup. And ice. Too cold to hold. Lime zest. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Lovely. Happy Mother's Day to all the women out there in the world, because you're mothering someone. That's so good. So good. Oh, damn. That's good. Cheers. Happy Friday. And don't forget to get your toast. A toast.